Hi everyone, my name's Hu. I'm 9 years old. Today we're going to read about this book. It's called Handbook for Reading. And I was open to the page 1 and here these are 5 vowels. That is a, apple, a, elephant, inchworm, ostrich, umbrella, and here down is the 5 vowels, right? Now I will open to page 12. Let me see. Let me find it. Here is page 12. And you see, right? Now here is the blend, the short sound, right? That is a, la, ta, ba, la, ta, ba, le, te, be, la, ta, ba, la, ta, ba. And here is the word, right? Bat, ball, bit, lit, lab, tab, bit, lit. Oh, sorry, it's lot and taught. And here is tell, to, bell, boo. And we read the sentence. Tab, bit, ball. Right? You see here the picture is tab, bit, ball. Now, thanks for your listening and goodbye.